this one is the Nekmit tri-plug charger. So this is a 52 watt 4-port charger. Not a whole lot on the box. Barcode, nice green, 1-year warranty, and it works with everything. Take a look at the inside of this box. Slides out. Love that. Our little user's guide here. Look at that. You can plug 4 devices in at once. That's pretty crazy. Okay. Let's peel this off. It broke. So this is the Nekmit 4-port charger. As you can see, 2 USB-A ports and then 2 USB-C ports. So 4 devices could plug into this nice little charger and charge at one time. I guess I gotta find 4 devices and put them all to the test for 30 minutes, right? That's the way to do it. So we're gonna test this one out momentarily as well. Right, so this is the Nekmit 4-port tri-plug charger. And from what I can tell from the instruction manual, when you're using all 4 ports, you get PD 20 watts out of each one of these, and then each one of these is just the regular 2.4 amps. So I have 2 devices to plug in with a USB-A cable and 2 devices to plug in with a USB-C type cable. Sorry if you can hear them making blowing leaves or whatever outside. And so we're going to use my Google Pixel 3 XL to charge with a USB-C cable. We're also going to use my Google Pixel 6 XL to charge with a USB-C cable, and these will both be using Pixel USB-C cables. Then we're also going to charge my completely dead Android Wear watch, and that'll be with a USB-A cable. And last but not least, my iPad, which will also be charging with a USB-A lightning cable. Let's get all of this wired up on our charger and see how much charge we get on each device in 30 minutes. Alright, so everything is wired up to our tri-port Nekmit charger. The watch, the iPad, Pixel 6, Pixel 3. Pixel 3 is at 21%, Pixel 6 Pro is at 31%, iPad is at 16%, and the watch is completely dead. So let's plug them all in. They've all started charging. Set a timer for 30 minutes.
Sure, 30 minutes. And we're starting now.
Alright, let's see where we get in 30 minutes. And look at that, that little light lights up. You got a nice little green light there showing you're charging. Stop. Alright, let's unplug. All the devices are no longer charging. Let me get one thing out of the way. I forgot I factory reset this and had issues getting it connected to my Pixel 6 Pro. So sadly, I have no way to tell what percent it's on. But it definitely charged because it was dead. So the iPad was on 16%, and in 30 minutes got to 28%. So a 12% increase on the iPad. This is of course with 4 devices connected at once. Now my Pixel 6 Pro went from 31% to 67%. So it more than doubled, 36% there. And my Pixel 3 XL went from 21% to 61%, so it went up 40%. So that is the result of charging with this single tri-prong charger from Nekmit, all 4 of these devices. Pretty nice. 2 thumbs up.